Brett Howden, a center for the Vegas Golden Knights, is testifying today in the sexual assault trial of 5 of his former World Junior teammates in London, Ontario. Today, the testimony is centering around text messages that were sent by Howden and what he recalls from the night in question. Megan Fitzpatrick is outside the courthouse and joins us now. So, Megan, where do things stand with this trial?
Well, Andrew, court has actually finished for the day a little bit earlier than usual, and so it's now done for the week, and it has been a complicated week of legal arguments. Arguments over these text messages have now taken up several days of court. The trial got off track, really, on Tuesday when Brett Howden began testifying, and he couldn't recall many details about the events in question at this trial. Howden was testifying by video link from Las Vegas, where he plays for the NHL. He's not accused of any wrongdoing. He is testifying as part of this trial as a witness that was called by the Crown. He was in the hotel room for a portion of the night where the alleged sexual assaults took place in June of 2018. He was a member of the World Junior hockey team. The team was in town in London for a Hockey Canada organized gala event to celebrate the championship win earlier that year. Now, because of his lack of memory on Tuesday on the stand, the Crown is basically trying these other avenues to get the evidence that they want out of him. And that is why they're pursuing these text messages that Brett Howden exchanged with one of the other players at the time, Taylor Raddysh. These text messages were exchanged about a week after the events in question. And we've now heard in court what some of those text messages included. In them, Howden wrote that he was glad he left the hotel room when he did, and that when he was leaving, Dylan Dubé, one of the accused on trial, was slapping the woman on her behind. Now, the Crown has been trying to get these entered into evidence because they're important to their case. And the defense lawyers have been trying to keep these text messages out of the court record. The Crown's attempts so far have failed. There were arguments about this yesterday, and this morning an important ruling from Justice Carassia, not allowing them to be entered into evidence. But the Crown isn't giving up, and they're trying one more avenue. And so today there were more arguments about that. And the judge will make a decision on Monday morning, again, about these text messages specifically. Meanwhile, Howden did resume testifying today, not for very long. He was questioned about transcripts, essentially. He read from portions of transcripts of interviews he gave to investigators, both with Hockey Canada and London Police, back in 2018 and in 2022 and in 2023. The Crown finished her questions of Howden, and on Monday, when he starts testifying again, he will be under cross-examination from the defense lawyer. So again, Andrew, to recap, it's been a complicated week. And again, the Crown pushing to have these text messages entered as evidence. Their efforts so far have failed. They've got one last chance, essentially, and they will find out on Monday whether they have succeeded or not.
Again, thank you. The CBC's Megan Fitzpatrick live in London, Ontario.